I understand they came down this train, went up all the way down there to the end, and then once he get to the end of that particular one down there at the bottom, he basically switched lanes and go in here. As you can see, he's probably either gonna go to the one on the left, or he's gonna go towards the one over the corner. But I think it's gonna be the one over the left, towards that way. Okay, that's exactly what it's doing apparently. So basically jump off something there. You see my man just pull it on. That's so cool, man. Y'all don't even know. I feel like I'm a kid again, like on some real stuff, man. That was exciting as hell to see that.